career development strategies. One introduction. In this rapidly changing era, career development has become a focal point for many individuals. With technological advancements and continuous adjustments in industry structure, the market's demand for talent is also changing. Therefore, actively planning one's career path, enhancing individual competitiveness and salary levels through skills training and mastering effective job search techniques have become key to achieving professional success. From an argumentative perspective, continuous learning and self-improvement not only help individuals adapt to changes in the workplace, but also serve as important avenues to open up new career development opportunities. Whether it's young professionals entering the workforce or seasoned employees looking to advance further in their current career paths, continuous updating of knowledge and skill sets is necessary to tackle the challenges that may arise in future careers. Furthermore, with the increasing importance of personal branding, how to effectively establish and showcase one's professional image has also become an integral part of career development. Through systematic career planning and goal setting, everyone can devise a path that aligns with their interests and market demands. Therefore, this video will share a series of strategies and recommendations to enhance career development and salary levels, including but not limited to skills training, job search techniques, personal branding, and career planning. Through these strategies, we hope to assist viewers in better planning their careers, achieving their professional goals, and standing out in future workplace competitions. 2. The importance of skills training. In today's fiercely competitive workplace environment, skills training is particularly crucial. With the rapid advancement of technology and the ever-changing demands of industries, relying solely on past learning experiences and skills is no longer sufficient to meet the requirements of the modern workplace. Therefore, continuous skills training has become a key pathway to enhancing individual competitiveness, achieving career development, and salary improvement. Firstly, skills training can help individuals fill knowledge and skill gaps, enabling them to adapt to new professional roles and job requirements. With the digitization transformation and the application of emerging technologies, many positions have new skill demands, such as data analysis, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, etc. By participating in relevant training courses, individuals can not only acquire professional knowledge in these areas, but also enhance their problem-solving and innovative abilities. Secondly, skills training contributes to the development planning of individuals' careers. At different stages of their careers, people may face opportunities for career transition or promotion, and having diversified skills greatly increases the possibilities and flexibility of choices. For example, for professionals looking to transition from technical positions to management roles, participating in leadership and project management training would be highly beneficial. Lastly, continuous skills training also boosts individual confidence and workplace satisfaction. When individuals feel that their skills are recognized and can contribute effectively in their work, they are more motivated to pursue further career development. This not only benefits individual mental health, but also enhances work efficiency and creativity, thereby positively impacting organizations and society. In summary, skills training holds significant importance for individual career development and salary improvement. It not only helps individuals adapt to the rapidly changing workplace environment, but also provides more opportunities and possibilities for career growth. Therefore, actively participating in skills training and becoming a lifelong learner should be the goal of every professional in the workforce. 3. Job search tips and strategies. In the job search process, mastering effective job search techniques and strategies plays a crucial role in breaking through the fiercely competitive job market and securing ideal positions. The following are some practical job search tips and strategies discussed through argumentative analysis on how they can enhance the success rate of job seekers. Tailored resumes and cover letters. Resumes and cover letters are the first impression job seekers give to employers, and they need to be tailored to the position being applied for, highlighting the most relevant experiences and skills. This requires job seekers to have a deep understanding of the target company and position, and to accurately express how they fit the role. Utilizing professional social networking platforms effectively. Professional social networking platforms like LinkedIn not only allow job seekers to discover more career opportunities, but also help in building a professional image and expanding networks. Actively updating personal profiles, participating in relevant discussions, and connecting with professionals in the industry all contribute to enhancing visibility on professional social networking platforms. Preparing for interviews. Interviews are a crucial part of the job search process, and thorough preparation is key to interview success. This includes researching company backgrounds, understanding job requirements, and preparing answers to common interview questions. Practicing mock interviews is also essential, as it helps job seekers boost confidence and appear more composed during real interviews. Continuous learning and self-improvement. During the job search process, continuously learning new skills and knowledge not only increases employment opportunities, but also demonstrates the job seeker's proactive attitude in interviews. This shows that job seekers are willing to invest in themselves for career development, a quality valued by many employers. Through the above arguments, we can see that effective job search techniques and strategies can significantly enhance job seekers' competitiveness, enabling them to stand out in the fiercely competitive job market. Therefore, for those seeking career development opportunities, continuous learning, resume refinement, effective utilization of professional social networking platforms, and thorough interview preparation are important steps toward achieving career goals. 4. Building personal brand. In today's fiercely competitive job market, establishing a personal brand has become a key strategy for enhancing professional competitiveness and achieving career development. Personal branding not only reflects an individual's professional skills and experiences, but also embodies their values, personality, and passion for work. The following is an argumentative analysis of building a personal brand. Clear personal positioning. Establishing a personal brand first requires clarifying one's professional field and target audience. This involves in-depth analysis of one's professional skills, interests, hobbies, and career goals to determine the core message and positioning of the personal brand. Clear personal positioning helps establish a unique and consistent image among the target audience. Showcasing professional achievements. Showcasing professional achievements and case studies through various channels is an effective means of building a personal brand. This can be achieved through writing professional blogs, participating in industry forum discussions, publishing research reports, or giving public speeches. Showcasing professional achievements helps enhance an individual's visibility and influence within the industry. Building social media image. Social media is an important platform for building a personal brand today. Through professional social networking sites like LinkedIn, Twitter, individuals can connect with other professionals in the industry, share professional insights, and participate in discussions on relevant topics. Maintaining a positive and proactive image on social media helps expand the influence of the personal brand. Continuous learning and self-improvement. Building a personal brand is an ongoing process that requires continuous learning and self-improvement. By attending training courses, obtaining new professional certifications or degrees, individuals can continually enhance their professional skills, making their personal brand more enriching and attractive. Through the above arguments, we can see that building a personal brand requires systematic planning and continuous effort. A strong personal brand not only enhances an individual's competitiveness in the workplace, but also brings more opportunities for career development. Therefore, for those who aspire to succeed in their careers, actively building and maintaining a personal brand is an essential strategy that cannot be overlooked. 5. Career planning and goal setting. Career planning and goal setting are crucial steps in achieving career development and increasing salary levels. Through systematic planning and clear goal setting, individuals can more effectively navigate their careers and achieve long-term career goals. The following is an argumentative analysis of career planning and goal setting. Self-assessment. Career planning begins with self-assessment, including a deep understanding of one's interests, skills, values, and career inclinations. This step helps individuals clarify their career preferences and development directions, laying the foundation for subsequent goal setting and planning. Clear career goals. Based on the results of self-assessment, establish short-term and long-term career goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART principles. Clear goals not only provide direction for career development, but also motivate individuals to move forward positively. Development of implementation plans. After having clear career goals, the next step is to develop specific implementation plans. This includes identifying specific action steps required to achieve each goal, necessary resources, and expected timelines. Planning should consider potential challenges and obstacles and preset corresponding coping strategies. Continuous evaluation and adjustment. Career planning is a dynamic process that requires continuous evaluation and adjustment based on individual development and external environmental changes. Regularly review the implementation of career goals and plans and make necessary adjustments based on actual progress to ensure the effectiveness and flexibility of career planning. Through the above arguments, we can see that career planning and goal setting are of paramount importance for individual career development. They not only help individuals clearly identify their career goals, but also provide specific paths and methods to achieve these goals. Therefore, actively engaging in career planning and goal setting is an indispensable step for everyone pursuing career success and satisfaction. 6. Conclusion and appeal. As we delve deeper into career development strategies, including skill training, job search techniques, personal branding, and career planning and goal setting, we hope these insights and practical strategies can provide valuable guidance for your career planning. Career development is a long-term and ongoing process that requires continuous learning of new knowledge, mastery of new skills, and the ability to adapt flexibly to environmental changes. Through argumentative analysis, we understand the importance of actively planning our careers, setting achievable goals, and continuously enhancing our self-worth. Therefore, here we extend the following appeal to all viewers. Actively participate in skill training to continuously improve your professional abilities and market competitiveness. Master effective job search techniques to stand out among numerous job seekers. Build and maintain your personal brand to increase your visibility and influence in your professional field. Develop both long-term and short-term career development plans and adjust and optimize them based on actual circumstances. We encourage each viewer to put these suggestions into action, to explore and practice continuously, and to bravely pursue their career dreams. Remember, every effort and progress you make will bring positive changes to your career. Thank you for watching and learning. We hope this video can provide assistance and inspiration for your career development journey. If you have any questions or would like to further discuss, please feel free to leave a comment. Let's work together towards achieving career success and personal growth.